Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you guys how I get a nice, really sleeked bun look when my hair is looking like this. It is super dry. It's been up in this bun for the last basically 3 days, and I know this is not right, but sometimes I leave it in here and just kind of spray water all around it. But ideally, like, I should be taking it down and properly moisturizing it. So I do this hairstyle once in a while when it's closer to wash day, which I'm gonna probably wash tomorrow, but I just cannot stand to wear my hair like this one other day because I'm actually going somewhere nice tonight. And yeah, so this is what I'm working with, you guys. Very, very dry. So first things first, always water. I'm just gonna spray my hair first. You guys always ask me in the comments where I get the spray bottle, and I get it from Sally's. I believe it's called the 360s bottle. Let's see if I can find a link and leave it for you guys in the description box. But it's really, really handy. I love how it just like mists out, like just easier to get your whole head. So first I go ahead and I find the part that I want to work with. So sometimes I go all the way, but I kind of like stopping it here because I kind of like the back to kind of go backwards. So now I'm going to kind of take my hair in sections, and like the smaller the sections the better, because then you can get it in a tighter bun. And then I'm going to just put more in the roots because it's the roots that have like to stay flat, right? I kind of want like my ends to look a bit full in the bun. So once I spray it down, it does go more flat, and I'm going to put some gel in, and I cannot wait, you guys, to get better gel. Now that I'm back in Toronto, I can actually have more options. Like, I really wanted to get that extreme wetline gel. So then I just pat it down. So not too much, but I'm going to wash my hair anyways tomorrow, so I don't really care if it's like buildup or anything like that. You can always use like a more bristle brush as well to like really get it flat. I just usually wait till I get to the top to do this, but if you want to go all out, you can do it per section. And yeah, you guys, I never used to do sections like this, but it makes such a big difference. Like, I could still kind of get it somewhat flat, like without the sections. Like, I would just focus on just the top, but it would be a little teeny bit bulky, you know what I mean? But to me, it didn't really matter that much. But it's like, why not just add in the extra, 10 minutes and get it really nice? So, but look at this. This is like a cool style in itself. You just like slick this back and leave this out. So anyways, I put way more usually at the top because that's the part where I'm gonna slick down the most. I am gonna also put like edge control and all that, but just for now, until I work on the other side, I'm just gonna brush this down and then come back to it. See the difference, you guys? It looks like I'm bald, but that's fine. So basically do this again on this side. So now I'm gonna take a regular hair tie and I'm gonna just squeeze this into a bun or even a ponytail, whatever look you want to do, because now that the roots are really slicked down, it's gonna be so much easier to just achieve like any hairstyle. So I can just leave this out if I want, and I can just refresh the ends too. I can add a little bit of water and a little bit of gel. Ponytail, as you can see, I just put it in a bun, I loop it around once, and then I fold it in the second time like this. And then if I want, I can just kind of secure it in a little more with bobby pins, or I can just like leave it like this. So now we're gonna go in with Cream of Nature, Perfect Black Edges. I'm almost running out, but the stuff, you guys, is so good. I love, first of all, that it's black, because especially if your edges are a little thin, it really just kind of like, do you see how it looks like I have way more edges than I really do now? I love this stuff so much. But no, you guys, like, I need to grow back my edges. They thinned out because of like a relaxer issue back in the days, and some of it grew back, but not fully. So I'm still working on it, but I have not been consistent. So that's the thing, like, it's my fault. Like, I used to massage it every single day and try different oils and all that. Once I started to see some growth, I just kind of stopped. So yeah, like, this pomade is really good, not just for edges, but it like also keeps down some of the flyaways, and it's a really good like sealant for the gel to really like lock it down. I don't put too much in though, but like you just need a little bit, you know? Look how sleek it looks already. And then I take my bristle brush and I try to like, you know, kind of lay my edges kind of thing. Just kind of like try to shape the front a little bit. Sometimes I never know which way my edges should go, you guys. It's just so, ugh. Okay, then I just take any scarf that I have, like a silk or satin scarf. I got this beautiful one from Aunt Jackie's. Comes in handy. I just like fold it up and then I just put it on top of my head, and this is just gonna like further secure everything in place. And so I put this on my hair for about, say 10-15 minutes, and the longer the better. And this will just kind of ensure that your hair actually stays flat all day, not just for the first like 10 minutes before it starts to puff up. So yeah, this is a look in itself, you know? But I'm gonna see you guys in like 10-15 minutes, and then I'm gonna show you guys the final look. So let's unravel this and see what this looks like. Oh my god. This is flat. I love it. I could have went even further down. Instead of just focusing on the roots, like go like midway to get like it even extra flat, like at the back, you know what I mean? So that's what I would do next time for sure. One thing I want to mention you guys really quickly is that I used to do a slick back bun all the time, and I did experience damage in my hair, like I lost my curl pattern basically. And so I would definitely not recommend this hairstyle too often if you don't want to experience what I experienced. I have a whole video talking about it in detail and what I did to get my curls back and exactly how my hair got damaged. So definitely, if you guys are interested in watching that video, if you want more information, I would definitely watch that. I'm going to leave that link in the description box below. But yeah, I look kind of crazy because my eye makeup is only halfway done. But don't you guys love Jackie Aina's palette, you guys? This is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you guys ever tried this hairstyle. Leave your tips on how you get a nice sleeked bun, especially if you have like high density or type 4 hair, and any tricks that you have to kind of keep it flat the whole night. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like my video, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.